Hi, welcome to our swimming pool.
Swimming pool is so fun and cold. My brother says it's cold, but it's very warm. Pretty much, it's like something to say to our dad, you know, happy birthday, which means that he's swimming with us, but since we played volleyball and the volleyball is over the pool, so there's nothing to do to have fun in the pool with our dad.
Oh, my turn, not bad. This pool, my dad bought it for the sake of us enjoying our new house, and for the summer when it gets really hot. We also want to thank him for buying this pool, because you wouldn't be doing anything else but to stay in the house. And without him, we wouldn't have any of this around. I want to thank him so much for doing everything for us. From the time where I was raised, when I was a little boy, up to now.
Our dad is the only gift I wanted. A dad is like important to your life. They brought you to this world, and they raise you, they give you food, and everything you have. Some people don't have it. Being a dad is mostly all I wanted to have. And being a dad is very hard, but at least you get something out of it. This one here is about to be a dad soon. My dad's the most specialist thing in the world. Later on, we have to survive, and we have to live another life.
As you can see, I am resting upon the pool.
As you can see, I'm trying to prank my brother by grabbing his leg.
see clearly now the rain. Lights are shining down. Oh.
Yay!
What? Get off me.
Try the whirlpool.
Whirlpool. That's impossible. You're the make the whirlpool.